Hello guys and girls to my next weekend report about the financial markets. Today it's Monday, so one day late, but no matter that, let's start into the analysis. Uh, S&P 500. We see on the weekly we are still in an uptrend, and I would say that this was the weekly correction, and now we are starting the next weekly impulse. I thought maybe we will get a surge down to this weekly support and resistance level, but we haven't. We have a really strong bull market. So on the daily, you can see we broke the last all-time high to the upside, and that was a sign to me I'm maybe a little bit late to the party. I have to get in before it's too late. So yeah, there is the possibility that we will see a smaller correction, retesting this last all-time high before starting to see prices hitting again record highs. But I bought 20% position. You can see it also here on the Excel sheet. S&P 500. I bought 20% of my account size on the 16th of May. And yeah, from there on I will see if we get higher prices. If we see a significant turn to the downside, I will maybe add 5% to that position to get the full 25% allocation in the S&P 500. If we switch to USOIL, we see on the weekly still broken monthly downtrend line to the upside. The weekly correction is got also broken slightly to the upside. We are nearing this 200 moving average, and I'm preparing for taking long positions if we break this smaller correction of the weekly one to the upside. That's a daily downtrend trend line, and yeah, that's the thing I'm looking for. There's also the possibility that we will break significantly this weekly daily uptrend line and seeing lower prices, but that would be no problem. Maybe we get cheaper in this market. In the 4-hour time frame, you can see we got rejected from this daily downtrend line. Yeah, let's see if we get a break, a retest, and a move above this retest. Then I'm long into the markets, probably also 20% of the portfolio, maybe with certificates. I will see how I do it. Gold, yeah, making all-time highs. The last all-time high from 2011 was long broken. Then we had this long time support and resistance zone that got every time tested and rejected. Then we got the final break. Since then we have seen price skyrocketing. On the daily we can see that we have a surge higher, and that also the MACD has crossed for positive for rising prices. In the 4-hour time frame you can see my recent trade that I closed last week. I opened it on the 6th May, like you can see on my Excel sheet. Gold long position 1%. It was a small risky trade. I risked 1% of my capital and then exited the trade at the 17th of May, and I made 1.8% profit on my portfolio. So at the moment we are on an account balance of 103.35%, 35%, and yeah, net profit really good. Yeah, price is still rising. I closed here at 2,400 US dollars. Yeah, I'm waiting to see a bigger pullback or consolidation zone and a break of it, and then I will take also long positions, because I think that price it's a little bit extended to the upside, especially if we look at the weekly. And yeah, I think price have to cool down a little bit and that would be the moment whereby more long positions. BTC USD, yeah, I think also that there is the possibility that that we have seen the weekly low, and that now will follow the next weekly impulse to the upside. If you look at the daily, you can see, yeah, we had a impulse correction, impulse bigger correction, and now optically, from my feeling, I would say that this correction is over, that we have seen the bottom and now see the next rise. MACD is also looking like the bottom is in. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see this blue dotted downtrend line got broken to the upside. Also the 200 moving average. We had this failed breakout to the upside. Not sure if we use this trend line or better this trend line. Maybe price gets rejected at this blue dotted trend line, and we will see a correction maybe to this 4-hour uptrend line, and from there then higher prices. But I think the biggest move down is over, and yeah, we will see higher prices. Because of that, I bought 20% of my portfolio balance into Bitcoin at 65,800 US dollars. At the moment, we are trading at 69,000 US dollars. So at the moment, we are in profit with this position. You can see it also on this Excel here. Yes, BTC long 20% account balance opened at the 15th of May, and the position is still open. I'm not planning to close it soon, only if I see price behaving pretty badly and getting below the last lows, and yeah, that would be a sign that the weekly correction isn't over yet. Yeah, at the moment, that's all for the weekend update. I wish you all the best, and we hear us next week. Bye bye.